Hey there, just a quick vid to show you a little update I did to this cast iron cooking plate. Got it up on a platform now. There's a piece of copper under the entire platform, I'll show you that, so the heating elements are sitting on that. Got the thing on, fully heated. Added the wire ties here and here just to kind of give it a finished look. And right now we got it up on the 2 bricks. So I got a nice big area under here that's catching half the heat from the underside of the elements. Big enough to fit plates and bowls and everything. You can slide it right in. So now we can cook up here and keep anything we want, warm down here. Perfect. Turned out great. Alright, so the bottom line on this is that you can do it either way. This way works or the original, but this way is a little bit cooler. This cooks more like a stove burner on low, whereas if you put it just flat on the bricks and skip the copper and the wood, then it cooks more like a regular stove burner on medium. The reason it gets hotter that way without this is because the copper on this acts as a heat sink and it just pulls it in and warms the air, but it pulls heat away from this, whereas the bricks actually act like insulation and kind of hold the heat up under the pan. By the way, the top temperatures that this cast iron can reach with these types of elements is only 340 Fahrenheit. And the tape's good to 573, the wires are good to 400, and wood is good to 450. So they're all well within the range. Items needed: cast iron plate, 6 heating elements, high heat tape, 2 bricks, extension cord wire, the 12-volt power source, and a lid. Just grab your elements, lay them out, grab your high heat tape, tape them down, then connect the wires like that, and flip it over on the bricks. Then add your extension cord wires here and here and put that to the 12-volt power source. And that's it. And finally, here's a detailed list of everything that I used, followed by a stats and info page. Just pause the player for easy reading.